Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of laws of motion. The question here is a bullet of mass 0.04 kg is moving with a speed of 90 meter per second, enters a heavy wooden block and is stopped after a distance of 60 centimeter. What is the average resistive force exerted by the block on the bullet? So first of all, we see what is given to us. Given is mass of bullet is 0.04 kg and its initial speed is 90 meter per second, and since it is being stopped, so its final velocity is 0 meter per second, and the distance it travels is equals to 60 centimeter, or that is equals to 0.60 meter. Now the formula to be used, V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. This is from equation of motion, and we know that force is equals to mass into acceleration. Now we see the solution for this question. So according to this equation, V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. V is 0. U is 90 square is equals to 2A into 0.60. Therefore, acceleration is equals to minus 90 into 90 upon 2 into 0.60. After solving this, we get acceleration is equals to minus 6750 meter per second square. Acceleration is coming out negative because velocity is decreasing and finally becoming 0. Therefore, retarding force is mass into acceleration, that is 0.04 into minus 6750. On solving this, we get force is equals to minus 270 Newton. Therefore, the answer retarding force acting on bullet by the block is equals to 270, that is 270 Newton. Now the term retarding comes here, so we will not put minus sign with the result. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.